Hi, my name is Alex. I'm the owner here of BeMyGuest Taipei cooking restaurant. And I'm so happy to have two ladies. They are from the United States, from California, to come here to join my cooking class.
Hi, I'm Ellen. I'm from Santa Cruz and now Monterey, California. And I came here to learn something about making Taiwanese soups. And we did 2 of them that were delicious. So I highly recommend your coming here and learning how to make soups.
So did you enjoy your cooking time?
I don't even like to cook.
Oh, really?
Yes, I did very much. You're a good teacher.
Hi, my name is Faye, and I'm from Pebble Beach, California, and I loved being in this class. I think that food is an expression of love, and we had a lot of love in this room. We learned tasty food, great recipes, and we'll take it back to the United States, and we won't be able to imitate it there, but we had a great time here.
I can see they did enjoy the class, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you for coming, and I hope you come back very soon. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.